Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black printed shirt with beach cargo pants and grey and green sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black and white striped t-shirt with black pants and black sneakers. Next you can try orange half sleeve shirt with sky blue ripped jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with grey baggy jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try black printed t-shirt with black cargo pants and black and silver boots. Next you can try tan half sleeve shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with brown pants and beige loafers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with brown cargo pants and tan boots. Watch this video to know top 35 outfits of July month.